how to enter into split screen mode using two apps at the same time and also in landscape mode. So this is a Xiaomi phone and I'll show you how to go about doing this. So let's just say you have some apps open already and you will tap on the recents button or perform the recents swipe gesture. So once you're in the recents view mode like this here, you will see all the apps you have open. And to get split screen mode, go ahead and long press one of them. You'll see these set of options show up here. And if you see this icon here in particular, that's the split screen mode. And that means the app can enter into split screen mode like this here. Then you'll go ahead and choose the other app you want to enter into split screen mode. So I want YouTube to be there. And of course, once you do this, once you get it to do that there, basically, if you want it into the landscape mode, make sure your auto rotate, make sure this here is not turned on, okay? Because if it's turned on, that means you locked it into portrait mode. So turn it off. And now that you have your split screen mode, you can switch it like this here. They will rotate like this here, and you'll have yourself the split screen in landscape mode, like it's a